Hockley Mint supply business to business, B2B. We've got retailers, we've got from multiples to independents. We export 20% of our goods overseas, which is fantastic, certainly in this environment and certainly since Brexit. We're an employee-owned jewellery manufacturing company based in the Jewellery Quarter in Birmingham. We have just under 100 employees and our annual turnover is £14.5 million. So the market that we supply to, we supply bridal goods, and that's wedding rings, engagement rings, and that's really the core value and the core sort of products that we supply to the businesses. As a jewellery manufacturer, most of our work is very traditional, and it's bringing those skills into the modern day, which is one of the massive challenges that we do have within the industry. So part of the KTP, we'd arranged a trip to go out to Tanzania to actually see the fair trade mines, and then visited them, and our KTP came with us on that trip. It was hugely enlightening about what's actually happening on the ground, and it was very difficult to put it into words. The feeling from a fair trade mine to actually a mine that wasn't actually certified fair trade. We became the fair trade ambassador, and we actually set up the fair trade ambassador scheme across the UK. This elevated our position actually within the industry and also added to our bottom line. We were the highest producing company of fair trade metal. Following the success of the KTP, we've also embarked on another KTP with BCU, and that one is about technological barriers that we face within the industry.
I'm Rupesh Mahajan, and I'm the BCU KTP Associate at Hockley Mint. I'm working as a software developer, and that's my primary role, and my 3 goals for this project is to implement a business analytics system, an industrial IoT technology to automate the orders and jewelry manufacturing process, and finally to move the system that's in-house to the cloud. The Hockley Mint jewelers have different departments, and they have their responsibilities and different tools they use as well. And my job is to understand their process, what they are doing, what their business model is, how the manufacturing process works, and then bring it together in a systematic way using Internet of Things technologies and to combine them.
So the KTP was looking at the issue that we had, which was about sustainability and also the procurement of fine gold. And embarking onto that KTP allowed us the access into a wider strategic view of what we needed to do.
This project is really going to transform Hockley Mint, because at the end of this project, not only we are going to give them an analytics platform where they can visualize the performance of their manufacturing process, but we are also going to give them automations where they don't have to do any manual task, and just by a click of a mouse or a scan of a barcode, they're going to know what the process is, where they are, what the order status is, where they can improve, how the machines are performing, how it can be utilized and optimized, the job scheduling process, etc. So that's what we are going to deliver through this project. Prior to the KTP project, a normal order here in Hockley Mint takes around 14 days to deliver, because the machines are not scheduled in its optimized fashion. So with this project completed, this machine will work in optimized fashion, where it not only be working in one single order, but it will be working simultaneously in multiple orders. So we are targeting to reduce that time from 14 days to a minimum of 7 days.
Well, the great thing about being an SME is that Innovate UK are actually supporting the scheme and the KTP by 67%, which means that you can actually do the research, the development and innovate in any business in the UK. At the end of the KTP, what we're looking for and what we're hoping to do is ensure that we've embedded the knowledge and the innovation that Rupesh brings and also brings from the BCU. We're looking at driving our efficiencies and productivity so that we can monitor, we can pull the data out of our system that we need to make the improvements needed into our process. What we're going to do is take this from a traditional jewellery making company into the 22nd century. One of the benefits of KTP and working with BCU is to tap into the pool of knowledge that's available through the academics that are there as well. So the graduates who are actually working on projects can bring those actually into our workplace, and we can see tangible benefits coming back out to enhance and also to enable further understanding and further learning within the company.